This cheaper robot vacuum might actually cost you more in the long run. I tested two Xiaomi robot vacuums, the S40C and the H40, and what I found shocked me. Let's start with the S40C. It's affordable, has 5,000 PA suction, and uses laser navigation, so on paper it looks solid. But in real life, short battery, weaker cleaning, and some users report app issues. Now the H40, this is a completely different beast. We're talking up to 10,000 PA suction, double the power, a massive 5200 mAh battery, and the biggest upgrade? It empties itself. Yes, you don't touch dust for up to 90 days. Plus, it has anti-tangle brushes, so if you have hair or pets, this thing is a game changer. But here's the truth. The H40 is more expensive, and the mopping, still not perfect. It's more like wiping than scrubbing. So which one should you buy? If you're on a tight budget, S40C is fine. But if you want real convenience, H40 is worth it. Sometimes cheap becomes expensive. Follow for real reviews before you regret your next tech purchase.